Welcome to another Mad Human Pizza video. This is the Lawnmower robotic autonomous mower, and here is the lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery model blah 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 China MX 24 volt 8 amp hours. This thing will go for hours. So here it is. That's the autonomous mower. You can carry it. That's pretty cool. So what we're going to do is there's the yard. This is how you install this battery. So, and this is a safety feature, this little thing. I'll show you here in a minute. Let's get down here, and as you can see, that's where it goes, the little pins. It's just like any other lithium battery. You just see that? Slide it and it'll click. Yeah, that little piece. Take it out. Oh, look, it's got a little finger there. I don't know what. I'll have to figure out what that is. See a little click this right here? Click. And then it's in. And then it's a safety feature, but you have, see that hole back there? You got that. You're gonna line these pins up. See the pinholes back there? The top is vertical and the bottom is horizontal. You gotta get the grass off that. You gotta line them up. And then we're just gonna put that in there. That's it, you see that? Pushes right in. You just close it and that's it. And then you want to get it on the grass. Wet grass. You don't want wet grass, but you hold the on button, it'll cycle through. It's got to boot up, do its microprocessor thing, and then you have two settings. Well, this is for the ultrasonic, one here, one there. Ultrasonic cameras. You can turn those off, but let's leave them on. That's to make it go around and around with auto mode. Hold that and hit it on. We want that. We want it to auto mode where it goes in random directions. And see, it sees the fence, it stops, and the cutting blades, they'll start here in a minute once it feels like it's safe enough, because it really has a lot of safety built in. But so yeah. It's and then I adjusted the settings already. I think I made another take, but it's at 1.7. That's the cutting, and that's pretty good. And it did get stuck on the fence earlier, like it got too close to it, and the grass is wet. The grass shouldn't be wet, but it's pretty. You can see where it's making lines. It went that way earlier. Oh. Yeah, it went that way earlier, and now it's going. You can see where the trail is. That's cool, but it'll do that. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck again, because that sucked. Yeah, let's do 1.7. There it goes. It'll start here in a minute, and it's just going to cut. It's just going to do some cutting. Now I got to get down here and close this fence, because it could escape. That's it. That's the mower, and I think it's a good cut. The grass is a little wet. You don't want the grass to be too wet. Yeah, see, it's making a little. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's got like a 6-inch cut width, and I don't know if you could tell, but it's cutting. Try to get down to it's acting. It's got a look at it. Come on, little buddy, you can do it. And it goes in random directions. There's two settings. You can either have go round, around, around, which is that, or the one I picked with auto mode. So it's going to go good now. Look at it. It's
gonna go all the way down there, and yeah, it's cutting good. This is a dead patch right there, but it's cutting pretty good. It cuts like as if you had scissors or whatever, and it'll go random. It'll be out here for hours. It'll do great. This is definitely a Mad Human Pizza. I need to put Mad Human Pizza on the side of it. I'm gonna go get a Sharpie. I'll be right back. Yeah, so that's the ocumower. This is Mad Human Pizza. Oh, I was gonna get a Sharpie. I was gonna get a Sharpie and put some Mad Human Pizza on the side of it, because why not, you know? So we get a little Sharpie here. We go out here and work on this beast. Might have to stop it for a minute, but we're gonna, I guess the word's christen it. Alright. Let me hit alright, let's get this. Alright. Where are we gonna write this at? Right here. We got Mad Human Pizza. Alright. Alright. It's a lot of fun. Oh man. Lots of fun. That's the Mad Human Pizza robotic lawnmower. Have a great and wonderful day. Hey kitty. There's your, that goes against the door. Hey kitty. What do you know? It's Rex. Rex the cat. What do you know, Rex? What do you know, buddy? Oh man.